Hello, everyone. This is Black Forest coming to you with another market analysis currency breakdown. We're going to be looking at the USDJ. We're going to be looking at the USDJPY. But before we get started to break down this chart and this forex pair, we have to state that this video is for educational purposes only, and this is not financial advice. Now, with that being said, let's go ahead and dive into this chart and this currency pair. So those of you who've been watching our videos for some time, one thing you know that we always do here at Black Forex is we explain the fundamentals behind what is happening with each respective currency before we dive into the technical analysis on the chart. So first, we're going to start by analyzing the JPY. Now, the JPY has been one of our weaker currencies over these several past trading weeks, and this is just due to the very sluggish the very sluggish position the Japanese government has taken on trying to combat the inflation that's being suffered upon the Japanese economy. They've been taking a very slow pace in trying to correct the inflation, and this is due to because if you try to correct inflation too fast, it can cause your economy to go into recession. So they're doing it very cautiously. And the last time we got some Japanese yen news come out, that was actually on April 21st, and it was the PMI, and the PMI came out actually higher than it was before previously. Previously, it was 49.4, and now currently stands as 50.5. So technically, that would classify Japanese yen as one of our stronger currencies heading into this trading week. And then also, we knew that some natural aggressive retracement and actual possible price turnover was actually going to come against the USD JPY and against the other and plus with the other Japanese currency pairs, just due to the fact that the USD JPY was basically hitting 10, 20 year all-time highs, and it's only but so much it can actually sustain that trajectory before price starts coming down and coming down aggressively as we're starting to see now. Okay. Now the USD is coming into this week as also one of our stronger currencies as well. But the thing about that's happening with the USD is that towards the latter part of the trading week, last week, we got some negative news to end the week out. So basically, we're in a position with the USD in which it is still gaining strength, but is not gaining strength as expeditiously as it was previously during the last prior trading week. So it is coming into this week as one of our stronger currencies, but it is actually started to slow down in the strength that it's gaining. And we should see some pickup in the trajectory of the USD gaining some strength as we start to get to the mid to latter part of our trading week. But as of right now, we are dealing with two currencies that are both trying to gain strength, and basically it's not so much about which currency is stronger than the other. It's all about it's really about both of these currencies are strong, and it's all about which one is trajectory is moving faster. And it looks like at this present time the JPY trajectory in gaining strength is much faster due to the positive fundamental news that we came out the latter part of this trading week. Okay, so now that we got that out the way, let's get into the technical analysis. Okay, so as you can see, we were going up, but which must come up now must come down. Okay, so now let's see how far we can actually drop. Okay, now if we start dropping to this past this area here or here, then we can start safely looking at price turnover. So for the short to intermediate time, we're going to be looking at this from a short point in which we're going to continue to see a drop in price, probably range out slightly 30 push up before it continues to come down. But like I said, that's for the short to intermediate term, okay? Long term, if the trajectory of the US dollar starts to pick up its speed and the US dollar starts to regain its strength at a faster pace than the Japanese yen, then we will actually start to see it actually continue to make record all-time highs. So, like I said, it's all about the trajectory of the strength for each currency. But for the short to intermediate term, at least the beginning of this trading week, when you're looking at this currency, you're going to be looking at this as indication for a short position of sales, because as we can see, we had the range. We broke the range very aggressively, and it's continued to drop. So we may see continue to drop to here before it range out, slightly 30 push up and continue to go down. Or it can possibly range out from here slight pathetic push up and then go down, or it can just straight continue to go down. Okay. Now, if you guys found that information informative, we invite you to like, subscribe, and share our content. Subscribing will allow you to be able to get notifications of every time we drop trading content. So you could be up to date on all the trading content and trading videos that we do drop, so you guys can sustain and be profitable traders. Also, liking and sharing also pushes our content further out there in YouTube, so we can continue to build our community of profitable traders. So that is our goal, to build a community of profitable traders. So why do the hard work when we'll do all the hard work for you? All you got to do is just watch the content, understand it, apply it, and make the money. Okay. Also, if you guys want any other videos outside of the USD and market analysis that we post on a daily basis, please reach out to us via either email, leave a comment on any of the videos that you watch, or reach out to us via our various social medias that's listed in our description, and also our emails listed in the description. We'll break down stocks, we'll break down futures, we'll break down crypto, we'll break down oil, we'll break down metals. We'll break down any chart that you guys request that you guys want to be broken down. All you have to do is reach out to us and tell us what we want, so we can better accommodate you. Okay? Now, with that said, happy trading.